I wanted to share with you something that some of our most successful practices that we work with do that other offices neglect because they don't think it's beneficial or they say they don't have the time. Now, if you're a sleep dentist and you're wanting to grow that side of the practice, or let's say you're looking to use that as a vehicle toward retirement, then this is something you're going to want to pay very close attention to. All of our most successful offices that Dental Sleep Profits work with have some sort of interaction with the doctor themselves prior to the patient coming into a consultation. So whether that's a voicemail left by the doctor saying, hey, I just wanted to touch base before you came in for your consultation to see if you had any questions. I had about 2 minutes. Be happy to answer those questions if you're available. Even if it's just a voicemail, the patient doesn't actually speak to the doctor, they're going to be more likely to show up, more likely to move forward with treatment because that perceived value of communicating with the doctor is so far beyond what other offices are willing to do. It's unique and it's valuable to the patient. So think about ways that you yourself, the doctor, or if you're an office administrator watching this, think about ways that provider in your office can interact with patients prior to coming in for a consultation, and you're gonna get a lot more of those patients committing to treatment and committing to actually showing up for that consult.